Hello, bonjour, Ani. My name is Jenna, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Northern Adventure Science Kit. In your Science Kit, you're going to find a lot of really unique features and pieces. You're going to find a wooden dowel, the base of your wooden dowel, a piece of twine, a paper fastener, and a star finder. And all of these items are going to allow you to explore nature all around you. To get started, we're going to make one of humans' greatest tools, and that's fire. Now, before you get started, you're gonna wanna ask a parent's permission to help you. You're gonna wanna grab your wooden dowel piece as well as your base. To make your hand drill, you're going to put your wooden base on a flat surface, and you're going to take the dowel and place it into the hole of your wooden base. Now you should have a structure that looks like this. At this point, you can try and use your twine to create friction to rub around the base, or you can place both of your hands on either side of your dowel and rub them as fast as you can to create heat and friction to hopefully produce a bit of a spark. The second component to our Northern Nature Kit is a star finder. And in this component of our activity, you're gonna be able to look up at the night sky and find lots of interesting constellations. Inside your kit, there are two pieces. You're gonna notice that one piece has a dotted line. Cut out your star finder on that dotted line, and you'll be able to find the hour, the date, and the month on the exterior part of your star finder. Once you place all of the constellation pieces inside of your star finder, when you rotate that piece around in the night sky, you'll be able to find all of those lovely stars. Thank you, merci, and miigwech. Until next time.